The Greedy Python. Half hidden in the jungle green, the biggest snake there's ever been, wound back and forth and in between. The giant snake was very strong and very, very, very long. He had a monstrous appetite, his stomach stretched from left to right. He quickly gobbled in one bite whatever creatures came in sight. A mouse that scampered to and fro, a frog that jumped up from below, a bat that hung from his left toe, a fish that swam a bit too slow, a bird that flew a bit too low, a porcupine still half asleep, a monkey who was in mid-leap, a leopard sitting in a tree, a buffalo who came to see, an elephant complete with trunk was swallowed in a single chunk. "I'm far too big to eat," he cried. "Oh, no, you're not," the snake replied. At last the python's meal was done, and he lay resting in the sun. The animals inside his skin were making quite a dreadful din. And when they all began to kick, the snake began to feel quite sick. He coughed the whole lot up again, each one of them, and there were 10. He soon felt better and, what's more, was hungrier than just before. He hadn't learned a single thing. His greed was quite astonishing. He saw his own tail long and curved, and thought that lunch was being served. He closed his jaws on his own rear, then swallowed hard and disappeared. Now it's time for test. 1. Which proves that the python had a monstrous appetite? A. He was green. B. He was very strong. C. His stomach stretched. D. He was very long. The correct answer is C. His stomach stretched. 2. Which animal hung on its left toe? A. Bat. B. Frog. C. Fish. D. Mouse. The correct answer is A. Bat. 3. Why did the snake catch the bird? A. It rested on the tree. B. It fell from the sky. C. It swam too slow. D. It flew too low. The correct answer is D. It flew too low. 4. Why did the elephant think the snake couldn't eat him? A. He was too strong to eat. B. He was too tall to eat. C. He was too big to eat. D. He was too heavy to eat. The correct answer is C. He was too big to eat. 5. After eating, what did the python do? A. He swam in the swamp. B. He went to the forest. C. He ate again. D. He rested. The correct answer is D. He rested. 6. Why did the python feel sick? A. His stomach continued chewing the animals. B. The animals were moving inside his stomach. C. He was choking from eating. D. He was still hungry and thirsty. The correct answer is B. The animals were moving inside his stomach. 7. How many animals did he cough out? A. 10, B. 11, C. 15, D. 7. The correct answer is A. 10. 8. After spitting out the animals, what happened to the python? A. His stomach was cut open. B. He swallowed all animals back. C. Went hungry again. D. He slept again. The correct answer is C. He went hungry again. 9. Why did he eat his own tail? A. It was making him heavy. B. To make room for more meals. C. He thought it was another animal. D. He got scared of it. The correct answer is C. He thought it was another animal. And 10. What happened to the python when he swallowed his own? A. He became stronger. B. He disappeared. C. He became longer. D. His color grew brighter. The correct answer is B. He disappeared.